1 cup of this drink will clean your body from toxins and parasites. If you are looking for a remedy that will improve your overall health, you are in the right place. This miraculous drink will do wonders for your body. Not only that will clean your body from toxins and parasites, but also will improve your immunity, cleanse your liver, protect you from a heart attack, improve your brain work, and help you in the treatment of cancer. This remedy is very easy and simple to prepare. Just make sure to use organic ingredients so you can obtain the maximum benefits. Follow the instructions below. Needed ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 fresh root of ginger, 4 apples, 1 glass of water. Directions: peel the lemon and add all the ingredients in a juicer. You should not peel the apples. Consume this drink in the morning, before your breakfast, on an empty stomach. Within a short period of time, you will notice significant improvements.
You